Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to talk about what are some of the things that you can do inside a swim spa. In fact, we're going to talk about kind of what are the four main things you can do inside of a swim spa. Number one, obviously you can exercise inside there. It's a low impact, almost a no impact environment. So it's fantastic for your knees, for your hips. Overall great aquatic exercise inside a swim spa. Number two, obviously swimming. It's adaptable to any swim level from beginner to advanced. Number three, a wave pool, a fun pool for the kids, for the family, for everyone who's using it. I mean, whether you're gonna boogie board in there or whether you're just gonna, use it as a whirlpool, it's absolutely one of the best experiences in your backyard. And number four, it's a fantastic pool just to relax and have a great massage at the end of the day. Basically wind down, take your stress level and bring it down. So I'm going to talk a little bit about exercise and what are some of the things you can do inside a swim spa for exercise. Well, Hydropool Swim Spas have actually two programs already built into the swim spa that you can access at any time. The first is your cross-training program. It's basically a program for anyone from a beginner to experienced to expert level. We've got 3 or 4 stages in there where you can actually take a look at our video series. The second thing is we actually have a full box fit series. It's for that next level up in terms of exercise. And you know what? It's downloadable. You can watch it online. Very easy to use and very easy to take advantage of. The second thing that I want to talk about is how is it used for swimming? Well, as I said from the beginning, it's an adaptable swim program from beginner to advanced. So whether you're a triathlete or you're just learning to swim, the beauty of the swim spa is you can dial it in for the level of swim that you want. Number three, how does a wave pool work inside the swim spa? Well, I can tell you, from my kids, from when they were younger till even now, I still use it. I love, putting the boogie board in. It's a lot of fun. We use it as a big whirlpool. There's tons of things you can do inside the swim spa to make it a lot of fun. And the fourth thing is after you've worked out or after you've swam inside your swim spa, we have a great spot for you to relax and have a great hydrotherapy massage, taking care of any one of the needs that you're looking for with regards to massage. To summarize in this video, what we've talked about are what are, 4 key things that you can do inside a swim spa. Number one, you can exercise in the swim spa. Number two, obviously you can swim inside the swim spa. Number three, it's a perfect wave pool / fun pool / backyard aquatic center. And number four, at the end of the day or at the end of your exercise, you can sit back, relax, and have a fantastic massage. Thanks very much for joining me for this video, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one.